Hi guys, do you like animals? Let's see what we will get in this blue egg. It's an elephant. Now what's inside the green egg? A wolf? Okay. Let's see what is in the purple egg. A cow? The purple? A tiger? The pink one? What's inside from this pink one? Leopard! Okay, put the leopard here. Okay. Okay, next. Another pink one is a gorilla. Okay, next. Pink is a lion. This yellow one, this orange one, let's see what's inside. It's a polar bear! What's inside the last? What's inside this yellow egg? It's a tiger! It is just the same as this tiger. Look, this is the animal one and this is like the animal too. Okay, next. What's inside in this yellow egg? It's a lion! Wow, we get the same as the lion of the colors. This is yellow, the African lion. The red is an Asian lion. So, this one is the animal one. And this is like the animal too. Bye-bye guys. See you next time.